Hello students. Time for maths class. So students, in the previous class I explained you first 6 questions of exercise 9A, which are related to the complementary and supplementary angles. Today we will do question number 7. We will continue the same exercise. Before these sums, I also explain you different types of angles: adjacent angles and linear pair. Question number 7 is based on these two type of angle, that is linear pair and adjacent angle. So let us start question number 7. Students, listen the explanation of this question very carefully. Okay. So question number 7 is, in the given figure AOC is a straight line. In this figure, this AOC, this is a straight line. OB and OD are rays. This OB and OD are two rays. Calculate the following. A part is angle AOB if angle BOC is equal 110 degree. We have to find this angle AOB with the help of this figure if angle BOC is given 110 degree. So see here, this is the figure given in the question. We have to find angle AOB if angle BOC. So I have drawn this figure again, and I have shown here only two angles AOB and BOC. This is the same figure. I have left this ray OD. I have drawn only this figure. AOC is a straight line. From this point O, one ray OB is drawn. So students, you know this COA is a straight line, and this angle is, total angle is 180 degree. This 180 degree angle is divided into two parts or two angles. One angle is AOB and other angle is BOC. So if we add these two angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal 180 degree, that is linear pair. See here, what is linear pair? A pair of angles that are adjacent form a straight line and whose sum is equal to 180 degree are called a linear pair. So this is a pair of angles. Pair means two. See here also, note, pair means two. The term linear pair can be used for two adjacent supplementary angles. For more than two such angles, we write sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. So pair means two. So here we are taking only two angles, angle AOB plus angle BOC. These two angles are adjacent angles. Why? See, what are adjacent angle? In adjacent angle, one arm is common. A common arm. Adjacent angles are a pair of angles which lie next to one another and have a common arm, a common vertex, non-common arms located on either side of common arm. So this OB ray is a common arm for this angle AOB and BOC both, and a common vertex. This point O is a common vertex. This point is for angle AOB and angle BOC both, and non-common arms on either side of common arm. Means जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स हैं वो कॉमन आर्म के दोनों साइड अपोजिट साइड होती हैं. तो एक आर्म इस साइड है, दूसरी आर्म इस साइड है. सो दीज टू एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स एंड they are forming a linear pair. So angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal 180 degree. We will write here linear pair. Angle AOB we will write as it is, plus angle BOC is given 110 degree equal 180 degree. Then angle AOB is equal 180 minus 110. Then angle AOB is equal 70 degree. Now come to part B. B part is also same. In B part, find angle COD if angle AOD is equal 130 degree. Again I have drawn this figure in this form. This time we have to take angle COD and angle AOD. So we will take COD and AOD. We will remove this ray this time. So this figure will become like this. AOC is a straight line, OD is a ray. Now this angle same, both the questions are on the same pattern. So angle COD, this is angle COD, angle AOD, angle AOD. So angle COD plus angle AOD equal 180 degree. Again they are forming a linear pair. Linear means straight line. Pair means two angles. So these two angles are forming a straight line. So we will write here linear pair. Now angle COD plus AOD is given 130 degree equal 180. Then angle COD is equal 180 minus 130. So angle COD equal 50 degree. You can do this oral because this angle AOD is given 130 degree. If sum of these two angle is 180, then automatically we will subtract this 130 from 180 and we will get this angle 50 degree. A and B both are same, and student, this is must to write here which type of angle or what is the reason for this AOB plus BOC is equal 180 why. So this is must to write here. Now come to part C. In C part, angle AOB, if angle, we have to find angle AOB. If angle BOD is equal 90 degree and angle COD is equal 30 degree. We have taken this figure for third part. This is the figure for A part, this is the figure of B part, and this is the figure of C part as given in the question. Here these are three angles. Angle AOB, so angle AOB is AOB, this one part. Angle AOB, then second is angle BOD is equal 90 degree. Which is angle BOD? BOD. This one is 90 degree. Then third one, angle COD is equal 30 degree. C angle COD. This one is 30 degree. So this time, this straight angle, you know what is the straight angle? See here, what is a straight angle? 180 degree, and this is a straight line. Straight angle means straight line, see the line, and measure of straight angle is 180 degree. So this time this straight angle or this straight line is divided into three parts. First is angle AOB, second is angle BOD, and third is angle COD. So if we add these three parts, these three angles, again we will get 180 degree. So what we will write this time? We will write angle AOB. Angle AOB, then angle BOD plus angle BOD plus angle COD. COD is equal 180 degree. This time what reason we will give? we will not write here linear pair because pair means two angle. Here these are not two angles, these are three angles. So we will write sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. Now put the value. Angle AOB plus BOD is given 90 degree plus COD is given 30 degree equal 180 degree. Then angle AOB plus 90 plus 30 120 equal 180. Then angle AOB equal 180 plus 120 will become minus 120. Angle AOB is equal 60 degree. Next part, fourth one. Same as C part, only values are changed. This time here we have found out angle AOB. This time we will find out angle COD. We have to find angle COD if angle AOB is equal 45 degree and angle BOD is equal 85 degree. So we will write the same line. Angle AOB plus angle BOD plus angle COD equal 180 degree. Same reason, sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. So put the values. Angle AOB is equal 45 degree plus angle BOD is equal 85 degree plus angle COD. We have to find out equal 180 degree. Now 45 plus 85 it is equal 130 degree plus angle COD equal 180 degree. Then angle COD is equal 180 minus this 130. Angle COD is equal 50 degree. Students, I have tried my best to explain you, but still if you have any difficulty, you can ask me by calling me. Okay? Now come to part E. In E part, it is given that we have to find out angle AOB if angle AOB ratio angle BOD ratio angle DOC is given 2:4:3. This time value of these angles is not given, but ratio of these three angles is given. So how we will do if ratio is given? First angle is AOB, its ratio is 2. Second angle BOD, its ratio is 4. And third angle ratio is 3. So we will take like this. Let angle AOB is equal 2x. Angle BOD is equal 4x. Angle DOC or COD both are same. DOC or COD. AOB or BOA. DOB or BOD are same. So angle BOD equal 4x and angle DOC is equal 3x. Now we will apply the same line as we did in part COD. Angle AOB, this angle AOB plus angle BOD, this angle BOD plus angle DOC, this DOC is equal 180. Again same reason, sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. Now put the values. AOB is given 2x plus BOD is given 4x plus DOC is given 3x equal 180 degree. Now 2x plus 4x 6x, 6x plus 3x 9x is equal 180. Then x is equal 180 upon 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 0. X is equal 20. Value of x is equal 20. Now we have to find out only one angle, that is angle AOB. So angle AOB is here 2x. Here we will put the value of x. It is 2x means 2 into x. Then 2 into this 20. Value of x is equal 20. So angle AOB is equal 22 ja 40 degree. Now F part. in this part we have to find the value of angle BOD if angle AOB is equal x minus 10 and angle BOD is equal 3x and angle COD is equal x plus 10. So again we will write the same line, sum of all three angles, angle AOB plus angle BOD plus angle COD equal 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles on a straight line, same reason. Now put the value, angle AOB is equal x minus 10, then this plus, angle BOD is equal 3x, then plus, angle COD is equal x plus 10 equal 180. Now this minus 10 and plus 10, these are cancelled, x plus 3x, this will be considered as 1x, so this x plus 3x 4x, 4x plus this x 5x, 5x is equal 180, x is equal 180 upon 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 3 remainder, 5 6 ja 30, x is equal 36. Then angle BOD, this time we will find only angle BOD. Angle BOD is 3x, here it is given 3x equal this 3 into value of x is 36, so it is 108 degree. So students, we completed question number 7. Students, see one more thing. I am telling you, suppose this is a straight line. If this time this line is divided into 4 parts like this, COA, this is PQR. Now how many angles are there? This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. Then angle AOR plus angle ROQ plus angle QOP plus angle POC. Sum of these 4 angles also will be 180, and we will write the same reason, sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. If we divide this straight line into 5 parts, again sum of 5 angles will be 180. Clear? But if we divide this line into 2 angles as we did in A part and B part, then it will be written as linear pair. Okay. So students, today I am only giving you question number 7. I am not giving question number 8 because if I explain you question number 8 same time, you will be confused because you are doing this thing first time. So try to understand these angles, these questions, the explanation of these sums very clearly. If you are not able to understand, see this video 3 times or 4 times, but try to understand these things clearly. If you have any doubt, any difficulty, you ask from me. Okay. Thank you students. Have a nice day.